how to use BitChat Mesh app. So if you want to use BitChat Mesh app, then watch this full guide. So if you want to chat with people nearby without internet or Wi-Fi, then try the BitChat Mesh app. It uses Bluetooth to connect devices up to 100 meters away. Messages can hop from phone to phone for more range. It needs no login. It's private and simple. So first you need to download it on your iPhone or your Android and get it from the App Store or your Play Store. Watch out for fake apps and stick to the official source. Now once you open the app, you're in the chat box right away. Go with grant permissions, which will be on the bottom, and allow the permissions. Go with enable Bluetooth, tap on allow, go with skip for now, which will be on the bottom, and you will have the chat box right here. So you can go and type a message, you can type in your name, keep it fine and short, to chat publicly, type your message in the box and hit the send. Everyone nearby with the app and Bluetooth on will see it. See who's around, check the network tab to view nearby viewers. For private chat, you can tap a user's name or use /msg dot. It's encrypted end to end. It works best in busy spots like cities where lots of people use it. You can test it with friends first, but remember it's new. Security pros safe private chat might have bugs. So don't share secret chats yet. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.